my main camera, the one I'm using right now, is the main front camera on my Motorola Zoom tablet. And unfortunately, it doesn't focus whenever it's in video mode. It just automatically sets to focusing as far out as possible. So when you put something up close, you can't really see anything. It's all fuzzy, actually blurry. And by itself, it's actually worse because I use this wide-angle lens that the refraction index makes it a little less far-sighted. And so without that, it looks even worse. But then it occurred to me, basically my camera is farsighted. And what do we do whenever we're farsighted? We get glasses. So I ran to Walmart and I got a pair of $10 reading glasses. These ones. They're +3s. It's the highest ones they had. You can see a small difference in that. Now, even though these are +3s, they're not really strong enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the lenses out of this case, and I'll double up the lenses, so it'll be more like a +6. Let's see. Oh, I see how it's done. Around the edge, there is a little, like, elastic band that holds it into a little groove. It's interesting, to say the least. Oh great, I guess I need my micro lens to do this. But anyway, there's a lens. Okay, so now we got two lenses. And just FYI, I hooked my wide-angle lens to my tablet by having two rubber bands wrapped around it. Okay, so now it's on, and how does it look? Not bad at all. It's pretty. Well, it's a lot crisper than before. You can see more detail, a lot more detail. I wonder how it'll look with this wide-angle lens on it. Does it look much better? I think it looks pretty good. Good enough for like up close whenever I'm working with circuitry and stuff. So basically what's happening is, using these lenses, I'm bringing the center of focus closer to the camera. So it's actually about like right, here-ish. Like if you bring this up, it still looks a little blurry here, but when you bring it in, it looks a lot better. And this is by far the most crisp image I've ever gotten out of this camera. Well, out of pretty much any camera so far. So here's the extremely blurry image of what my tablet looks like. I have the two lenses behind this one lens held on with these two rubber bands. Now, as you can see, whenever I take the lens off, it's the two lenses, and the center of focus is further out, so it looks less blurry. So now we have only one lens with the wide-angle lens attached, and one's free, as you can see. It looks like this is the best focus right here. So this is a nice amount of space away. That's probably a good 4 or 5 inches. Plenty of room to have the light get to it. Now for both lenses, but without the wide-angle lens, it keeps the focus at about, I'd say 5 or 6 inches away. Which is pretty good too, because it's not wide angle, so it works out pretty good. a little more orthographic. Well, thanks for watching this little quick video, and I hope you learned something. I was pretty surprised that these lenses and these cheap glasses were held in by this little plastic thread. There's a little groove around the outside of here. Well, you learn something every day. But at least I can focus on it now. Well, see ya.